Hi guys. If you can't join Windows Insider on Windows 10 in order to receive new preview builds, this video will help you to fix. Microsoft regularly releases new preview builds in different channels. Now in this video, we will see how to fix if you can't join Windows Insider on Windows 10. Under Windows Insider settings, as soon as we hit Get Started button, this message appeared. As you can see, there is only mention of something went wrong. At the end, there is an error code. However, still we don't have a specific clue about why this error occurred. If you're also facing same problem, here's how to fix it. Method 1. Using Settings app. Right-click Start button and select Settings. In the Settings app, go to Privacy. Select Diagnostics and Feedback. In right pane of Diagnostics and Feedback, make sure optional diagnostic data is turned on. Also ensure that Improve Inking and Typing and Tailored Experiences options are set to on in this location. Now retry joining Windows Insider program, and see if it works. Method 2. Using Registry. Press Windows plus R, type in Regedit and Run box. Click OK to open Registry Editor. In Registry Editor window, go to the following path. Right-click on WindowsSelfHost Register key and select Delete. In the confirmation from appearing next, click Yes. Close Registry Editor and restart your system to make changes effective. After rebooting your system, you should be able to join Windows Insider program on your Windows 10, as expected. Hope this helps.